Military Industry Corporation, MIC. History acknowledges the deep-rootedness of the Sudan civilization and its supremacy over many other civilizations. Sudan went through different periods of time during which it had an important power in Old World, during the era of the Old Kosh, Nabta and Mari kingdoms. Several thousands of years ago, the kingdom of Mari knew iron smelting and usage of iron. Later on emerged the kingdom of Sinar, which utilized the iron for shielding and armoring, succeeded by Al-Mahdiya state, which could manufacture gunpowder and ammunitions, and used for the first time the firearms captured during the fights against the colonial forces. Since then, attempts were undertaken to manufacture and produce arms and ammunitions. The reign of former President Ibrahim Aboud, 1958-1964, witnessed the first fruit of the modern defense industry in Sudan. In 1960, as a result, Al-Shajra ammunition plant was opened to produce small arms ammunitions. Furthermore, there were serious efforts conducted to develop this nascent industry under the Military Economic Institution during the rule of Marshal Jafar Nimeri, 1969-1985. After the advent of the National Salvation Revolution government, hoping to meet the needs of the homeland and safeguard its national sovereignty, it established the Military Industry Corporation, MIC, in 1993, whose establishment regarded as the real kickoff for the defense industry in Sudan. The MIC has undertaken crucial missions aimed at supporting and sustaining the armed forces and the other regular forces, in addition to providing indispensable solutions to the armed forces in order to face challenges and to develop their capabilities to assume properly as well as effectively their tasks. MIC owns huge and diversified industrial and technological capabilities and potentialities, which include the following: proficient and competent personnel, advanced engineering and industrialization capabilities. MIC's activities are focusing on the following areas: ammunition, different types and calibers; weapons, light, medium and heavy weapons; armored vehicles and main battle tanks; military gear, outfits and equipment; electronic industries; aviation industry; marine industry; vehicles industry. MIC produces different types of ammunitions as tanks, artilleries, and rocket launchers ammunitions, anti-tank and anti-aircraft ammunitions, rifles, light and medium machine guns ammunitions, pistols ammunitions. MIC also produces various types of small and heavy weapons as light semi-automatic rifles, grenade launchers, anti-tank and anti-aircraft weapons, heavy and medium artilleries, main battle tanks, tracked and wheeled armored personnel carriers APCs, self-propelled gun and special mission vehicles. MIC provides various types of military gear and accoutrements beside other special equipment: clothes, military boots, insignias and medals, fuel tanks, water tanks, mobile workshops and mobile clinics, earth-moving equipment and machines, and bridges equipment. MIC manufactures plenty of electronic devices and software, military communication devices, electro-optical equipments, night and day vision goggles and thermal goggles, laser aiming devices, maritime and airborne surveillance and reconnaissance systems, simulators for training, manufacture and upgrading of airborne, ground and coastal radars in addition to early warning radars, command, control, communications, computers and electronic warfare systems, combat management systems, software used in defense and civil systems. It is worth mentioning that MIC has embarked on aviation industry based on integrated systems as the following: design and manufacture of light aircrafts, maintenance, overhaul and upgrading of aircrafts, training of air and ground crews. In the field of marine activities, MIC sets out on building integrated systems which mainly cover the following: design and manufacture of boats and ships, building, rehabilitation and maintenance of naval vessels, military naval applications, training and qualification systems. MIC aimed to localize the automobile industry in the country by transferring and localizing many industries. It namely produces light, medium and heavy trucks, other different applications such as trailer, mobile clinics, ambulances, fire trucks, water tanks, oil tanks and garbage trucks. MIC has sustained the country's industrial sector by providing consultancies and solutions, automating and upgrading production lines, besides the localization of many industrial products as tools and machines, mechanical parts. MIC is focusing, since the first day of its creation, on enhancing the competencies of its employees by providing of continuous training and learning opportunities for them to keep pace with the industrial progress and developments. And it is seeking to add competitive advantages to its products and services. MIC also introduced and developed a package of advanced technologies in the field of management, including advanced training, computing systems, and development of human resources. MIC is dedicated to create and promote a healthier and safer environment for its own employees, to ensure the well-being of its employees and its facilities. MIC also, at an equal level of attention, puts emphasis on maintaining of an environment free from pollution by establishing laboratories to check, measure and guarantee the tolerable environmental levels of pollution, not to allow them to go beyond the acceptable level according to the local international laws. MIC focuses on the safety of its workers. Therefore, it established effective administrative units for safety and emergency. Committed to its social responsibilities, MIC opted to create optimal partnerships with the community, resulted in the moral and material support to social, educational, and health facilities. MIC helped much in creating job opportunities for thousands of qualified Sudanese cadre. MIC also plays a central role in promoting and advancing scientific research and sponsoring of creative, talented people, especially in the sphere of invention and innovation. Pursuing its own efforts to broaden its capabilities and expertise and diversify its fields of activities, MIC will stride out steadily towards the realization of its mission through the production of excellent products in both defensive and civil areas, reckoning on its qualified and competent personnel and on its developed systems, all with God's assistance.